Hello guys, in this video I'm going to cover how to add 3 decimals. Now, if you're able to add 2 decimals, you're going to be able to add 3. It's the same exact setup and process. It's adding 2 decimals, except we're going to be working with 3. Let's jump into our examples and start with number 1, where we have 7.56 plus 3.4 plus 0.82. So, the first thing we do is we have to line the decimals up below each other. So let's start by doing this. So we have 7.50, oh, very ugly 5, my bad guys, 56 plus, oh no, I mean plus 3.4 plus 0.82. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look right, because these two have more numbers than the middle one. So what we do then, we just place placeholder zeros. So we can place a 0 right here and it won't change the value of the decimal because any zeros to the right of the decimal doesn't change the value of the number. So we have to add all of these together. I already made a video on how to add 2 decimals, but this time we're going to add 3. And it's the exact same thing, but it's just with 3 numbers. So let's start. We're gonna go from right to the left. So we're gonna go 6 plus 0 plus 2. This one equals 8. We don't have to put a 1 right here because we have a 8 and it doesn't go above the 10. So, on to the second row. We have 5. 5 plus 4 plus 8. My bad guys, my voice cracked. Crazy. So we have 5 plus 4 plus 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 plus 8 equals 17. So we write a 7 down here and we carry over the 1 above the 7. So now we have 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 0. So we can get 1 plus 7 equals 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 equals 11. So we can just write down the 11, take the decimal straight down, and there we will have our final answer. As you guys can see, the decimals are all lined up below each other. This means you have lined the numbers up, lined the decimals up correctly. If the decimal for one was right here and the other one was right here, it wouldn't be correctly lined up. So let's go over to the second example. This was your final answer. So let's go over to our second example, where we have 12.3 plus 4.08 plus 9.745. So first of all, we're gonna line them all up. So we have 12.3, we have 4.08, but we have to put the 4 right here because this 1 stands for a 10, not for a 1. So we have 4.08. And last, we have 9.745. So, as you can see, this doesn't look right at all. So we're gonna place older zeros, like this. Now, we have aligned them all correctly, and we can start the addition. So, what we do now, we just add from top to bottom, and we will get to our final answer very quickly. So let's start from the right. We have 0 plus 0 plus 5. This obviously will get 5. So we are done with this, and now we're going to go with this one. We have 0 plus 8 equals 8, and 8 plus 4 equals 12. What we do then, we put a 2 right here, and put the 1 of the 12 right here. Now we have 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 7. So 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 0 still equals 4, plus 7 equals 11. So we put the 1 right here, and again we carry the 1 over here. So we have 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 4 equals 7, plus 9 equals 16. So we write the 6 down here. And again, we carry the 1 over. Oh, and don't forget, guys, we have to take the decimal straight down like this. So you guys can see the decimals are all lined up below each other, and we're going to take it straight down. So now, last step, we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 obviously is 2. So our final answer will be 26.125. This was basically the video, guys, on how to add 3 decimals using this simple and easy method. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can always ask a question in the comments. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.